weeks, bali, more music will be coming. Tapos, next year, mapapalabas po yung EP ko. Tapos, yeah, then more music will be coming pa rin.
Wow, sige. Abangan namin yan, JJ, ha?
Thank you
So, ano naman ang message mo para sa mga kabarangay kasi ang tawag namin sa mga listeners natin, kabarangay o kapuso, sa mga nahihirapang mag-move on, ayan.
Bali, listen to your family and friends. Silang mas alam na if you're, doing well or not. Nakikita naman nila from an outside perspective. So, listen to your family and friends and your support system kasi they're the ones who can help you the most.
Ayan, silang mag-advise sa atin. Diba? Okay, so, any invitation or message pa sa ating mga listeners, JJ?
Thank you so much muna sa suporta ninyo, and you can stream all of my music on all streaming platforms. 2 letra lang po ang pangalan ko, JJ. So, para super easy lang ito.
Oo, tama.
Opo. Yeah, and then you can find me also on all social media platforms under my name po.
Okay, so maraming salamat. Thank you for gracing in the show.
And
hope to have you again.
Thank you so much.
Mo,
I would love to. Thank you po.
So again, maraming salamat mga kabarangay. Si JJ, and we'll be playing your song.
Thank you so much po. Bye-bye.
Ayan, maraming salamat. And eto na nga mga kabarangay, ang Back to Forgetting. Thank you very much, JJ.
Thank you.